Okay, so once I have my design finished in my computer, I put it over to my cutting software, which is Cricut Design Space. And let me minimize this a little bit so you can see this is the actual card outline, and this right here is the envelope. And in Design Space, I can go ahead and change the colors. Like I can make the color of the hat blue just by clicking on this and changing the color. And for now, I'm going to leave it black. All the colors for today are what I want them to be. And so this is my completed design, and I am going to click on Make It. And it will get all of my papers sorted in the colors that I need to have ready when I put the paper onto my mat. And I will show you what it looks like in the machine when we're cutting. So this is the Cricut Design Space program or software that I'm using, and it is getting everything ready so that I can use the machine to cut out my paper for my card. So let's go see what that looks like.
Okay, so I am using the fancy paper A4 180. And the first piece is the white. I just put it on my mat, make sure it is secure, and then it goes into the machine. And you can see it is cutting the stars first. Okay, it is ready to take out of the machine, so we will do that. And if some of the stars are still in here, you just need to easily punch those out. And then we'll get our second piece of paper loaded onto the mat. If you don't have a Cricut scraper, you can always use something else. I'm just using the edge of my ruler. Works great. And we will put our second piece of paper on. Okay, so I decided to change my envelope color to yellow. And we will just continue to do the same process with whatever is the next color of paper. We'll put that in and it will cut it, and we'll take it off the mat, and then we can assemble our card.